Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the video. This is kind of the spur of the moment video. I was in the middle of a vlog putting some stuff on this car. I don't know if you guys saw that video. If you didn't, I'll have it right up in that corner. Pretty sweet video. Anyways, I was gonna clean the exhaust and then I figured I'd make you guys a nice tutorial, drawn out tutorial on how I go about cleaning my exhaust tips. Let's jump into it. Let me show you the products I use to clean some exhaust. So what I have here is steel wool. This is 000, so it's extra fine steel wool. A few rags to wipe it down. And the products I'm using is my trusty super clean degreaser, just to clean it up for starters, and then to actually polish it is this Mother's mag and an aluminum polish. I know this isn't mag or aluminum, but it works wonders on pretty much anything. So I'm gonna pull this exhaust down. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now. I'm gonna pull the exhaust down, get it away from the bumper and get it cleaned up. What I'm gonna do, just pull it off these two rear hangers back here. So there's one on each side of the exhaust. Just simply slips right off those hangers. On this car, after you get it off the hangers, you can kind of twist it and rotate it to get it away from the bumper. So I'll be doing one side at a time. First thing I'm going to do, grab my super clean and just squirt the super clean all over the exhaust tip. That should get it a lot of the dirt and grime off, and kind of let it just sit on there. Let's wait about 2-3 minutes. Grab our steel wool and scrub that up. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna unfold this steel wool a little bit, grab a little chunk, and just try to get a lot of this junk off the exhaust. Beware guys, this is gonna get pretty dirty, so you might wanna roll up your sleeves, throw some gloves on. But just doing this by itself is gonna clean up a lot of this crap that's all over the exhaust. I'm only worried about the tip right here. Okay, that sounds kind of weird, but I'm only worried about the exhaust tip right here. I'm not going to be worrying about the piping at all further up. This is parent exhaust on a Evo X, but you can use this for anything. Especially these turbo cars that we're running catless for all the horsepowers. You are going to get a lot of black junk all over your exhaust. Alright, got a lot of that off. I'm gonna grab one of my rags, just wipe it down. As you can see, it already looks 1,000 times better already, and I haven't even polished it yet. We can actually tell it's parent now too. The parent came out to play. Now we're gonna grab our Mother's polish, grab another little chunk of our 000 steel wool, and polish this up to a nice finish. You only need a little bit. Throw a little bit on your steel wool and get her polished up. Go around the edges here, it'll get all that black junk off. You can't have a nice clean looking car with disgusting exhaust. Always got to keep those tips clean. And I do this probably once a month, once every other month on this car. On the FRS, I don't do it at all, really. I just wash it and it's clean, just because it's still stock motor. Let's wipe it off, see how it looks. Oh wow, so much better. It's never gonna look brand new, guys, just because this exhaust is 5 years old. But for 5-year-old exhaust, I would say that looks very, very nice. I'm gonna hit it one more time real quick with the steel wool and polish. Try to get a little more shine out of it. Okay, that's looking really, really good. Obviously, this is steel wool, so it's gonna leave little scuffs in it, which I don't mind at all. I'll show you guys how to get some of those out if you want. So this is the next thing I'm gonna use. You don't need to at all, and I never do, but if you wanna get a lot of those little tiny scuffs and scratches out from the steel wool, you can either step to like a 000 steel wool, if they even make that. I'm pretty sure they do, or you can use this Eagle one, Never Dull. It's just like cloth with polish already built in. It's not gonna pull any junk off of the exhaust like the steel wool does, but it'll just kind of get some of those little scratches out and maybe give it a tiny bit more shine. I never use this, so you don't need to. I might as well throw this down in the description box as well, just in case someone wants to go all out on their exhaust. This also works for a lot of other things. It works for pretty much any metal. It ain't gonna get any better than that, I'll tell you that right now. That looks incredible. Incredible. I am going to rotate this exhaust and get the other side done now. I'll show you this tip when it's all done. And here's what it looks like after. That is just incredible. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description box below. Yes, everything. So go down there, pick up everything you need to get your exhaust cleaned up. It'll make your car look so much better from the back. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button right up in that corner up there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.